You can't be soft and weak in a world that's doing all it can to keep you small. If you want a life that's amazing, if you want things that are hard to get, if you want a life that is richer, better, and happier, this video is your wake-up call. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the most honest conversation you've ever had about the reasons why we give excuses and the steps you're going to take to help you stop drifting and finally take your life back. Not next year, not on Monday, today. Comfort is keeping you weak. Do you know how comfortable it is to do nothing? Comfort in the following ways: through scrolling on your phone 24 hours every day, scrolling, doing nothing. You avoid doing the work, putting in the reps, doing what it takes to move your life forward. Instead, you numb, you couch, and you watch movie all day. That is keeping you weak. The second is food. Eating every day. How can you continue to eat the food that is unhealthy for yourself and continue to expect to perform at your best? You eat sugar and complain all day about adding weight. The second comfort is food. Stop it today. And so the third comfort is inaction. To do nothing and expect something to change. You hope that things will get different. Something will happen miraculously. Something will happen to change your life. It's not today, it's not going to happen. The fourth one is pain avoidance. Avoiding pain at all costs. Go to the gym, you won't. Eat healthy, you won't. You want everything easy, no risk. Instead, you choose the path of least resistance. The next comfort is procrastination. This one is huge. Tomorrow that never comes. It's a psychological pattern of self-abandonment, overlooking yourself, not having expectation of yourself. The next comfort you choose or you are choosing, subconsciously or consciously, is perfectionism. Waiting for everything to be okay and perfect to start. That day will never come. The next comfort you are choosing today is overthinking. Every day you are ruminating in your ideas. This is an imagination on a negative loop. What if this happens? What if that happens? What if the positive happens? Overthinking is keeping you small. The next comfort that is keeping you small is blame. Everything goes wrong. You have no responsibility. It is people, the economy, it is your friends. You have no responsibility for any outcome in your life. It is keeping you small. Blame. The next is the victim mindset. The victim mindset. I didn't go to school. The economy is bad. I am bad. Nobody likes me. Nobody wants me. I am done. That is keeping you small. Challenge is the gold standard for anything good. If you choose to stop procrastinating, to take responsibility, and you're willing to change your life today, change will happen. You have the capacity to change your life. Let today be the day you decide to change it and begin now. I have also been terrible, blaming, lying to myself and waiting for the perfect day. Today, I'm on a different path. It's not been easy, but it is worth every aspect of this journey. It is tough, it is risky, but it is rewarding and fulfilling. And so if you want to do something about your life today, to say goodbye to comfort, embrace this following. Number one is to start with your body. Reset your body every day. Get your body and mind up and thinking. For the next 30 days, do 1 hour exercise every day, every morning. Number two is to pick one goal, just one goal. You need to build focus again and teach yourself how you're capable to do things. Don't multitask. One goal, focus on it and get it done before noon. This new confidence is your new friend in what you're building. Number three is to build your circle. This can be books, mentor, model, or friends that you look up to that keep you accountable. Some days you're gonna stumble. It's okay. Get up quickly and keep moving. Number four is to get better. Once you have started, get better. Improve on your process, improve on the system, improve on what you're working. It can only get better as you continue to work on it. Number five is don't quit. No matter what happens, don't quit. There are days you won't feel like doing anything, and that is okay. But don't stay too long in that position. Don't stay too long in that mental state. Get yourself up and continue moving towards your goal. Some days you'll feel bad, some days you won't meet your goals, and that is fine. keep moving forward and do not quit. If you do all this with intention, you will become unstoppable faster than you ever imagined. These processes have changed my life, and so it can change yours. If you begin with intention and clarity and don't quit, your life will become different. If you're still here, thank you. I'd like you to like, share, and subscribe. On this channel, we talk about ideas based on psychology and real life experience that will help you live your best life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.